Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game and any relevant DLC or updates are installed. This unlocks equipment. Next, make sure you have enough in-game credits or currency to buy the night vision binoculars. Once done, open the in-game store, navigate to Equipment then Binoculars, and locate the night vision model, note model names and price. After purchase, the item transfers to your inventory. Make sure you receive confirmation, and that the binoculars appear in your item list before proceeding. You now equip the night vision binoculars from your loadout screen. Assign them to the binocular/optics slot so they replace your normal optics when selected. Then open Settings and bind a convenient toggle key or button for instant activation. This matters because split-second reactions count at night. Also check usage mechanics. Some games use batteries or limited duration, so test the device in a short trial deploy to learn battery drain and visual range. That way you know how and when to switch during real hunts. You finish by testing the binoculars in a night or low-light reserve. Spawn near cover and practice sweeping the horizon, adjusting zoom and angle to spot eyeshine. Use short bursts to conserve any battery resource, and make sure you approach quietly. Night vision improves sight, not sound. If the binoculars don't appear or won't equip, first verify the DLC and store transaction, then restart the game and check loadout again. If still broken, verify game files or reinstall the latest patch to restore missing items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.